Hey there, science fans. Welcome to another exciting journey into the world of science. Have you ever wondered why you have blue eyes like your mum or maybe your grandparent? Or perhaps you have curly hair just like your dad or even your great-grandparent? It's all thanks to the fascinating world of genetics. Genetics is the study of genes, those tiny instructions that make you, well, you. These genes are like little packets of information. They're passed down from your parents and determine your traits, from your hair color to your height, and even some of your personality traits. Genes are like a blueprint for building a living organism, guiding the development and function of every part of your body. They tell your cells what to do and how to do it, ensuring everything works in harmony. Understanding genetics is super important because it helps us understand everything from diseases to evolution. Pretty cool, right? It's like unlocking the secrets of life itself. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of forward and reverse genetics. Get ready to be amazed by what we can discover. Forward genetics is like detective work, where scientists play the role of sleuths in the fascinating world of biology. It's a method that starts with an observable trait and works backward to find the genetic cause. We start with a specific trait like a disease or a unique physical characteristic and then dive deep into the genetic code. Imagine a scientist noticing some fruit flies have curly wings while others have straight wings. That's interesting. This observation sparks curiosity and sets the stage for further investigation. The next step is to find the genes responsible for this difference. This involves meticulous research and analysis. Scientists can do this by introducing mutations, which are like tiny changes in the genetic code. These mutations help pinpoint the exact genes involved. It's like changing a recipe slightly to see what happens to the cake. Each alteration provides valuable clues. By comparing the mutated flies with normal ones, scientists can figure out which genes are involved in wing shape. This comparison is crucial for understanding genetic functions. It's like finding the exact ingredient that makes the cake rise. Identifying these key genes is a breakthrough. Forward genetics helps us understand how genes function and identify potential targets for disease treatment. This knowledge is invaluable for medical advancements. However, forward genetics can be time-consuming and challenging, like searching for a needle in a haystack. The process requires patience and perseverance. But hey, that's science for you. Always an adventure. Each discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the mysteries of life. Now let's flip the script. Instead of starting with a trait and looking for the gene responsible, we start with a gene and try to figure out what it does. Reverse genetics is like being an architect of life. Imagine designing a building by first understanding the blueprints and then seeing how each part contributes to the whole structure. We start with a specific gene and want to know what it does. This approach helps us understand the fundamental roles of genes in living organisms. It's like having a tool and wondering what it's used for. You might have a wrench and need to figure out which bolt it fits. Scientists use techniques like gene knockout, where they turn off a specific gene, like flipping a switch. This helps them observe what changes occur when the gene is inactive. For example, scientists can use CRISPR technology to knock out a gene in mice and observe the effects. This revolutionary tool allows precise editing of the genetic code. If the mice develop a particular disease, it means that the knocked-out gene played a role in preventing it. This can provide crucial insights into disease mechanisms. It's like removing a part from a car and seeing what stops working. By identifying the function of each part, we can understand the whole system better. Reverse genetics is a powerful tool for studying gene function and developing new therapies. It opens up possibilities for treating genetic disorders and improving health. However, it can be tricky because genes often have multiple functions, and knocking out one gene might affect others. This interconnectedness adds layers of complexity to our research. It's like a complex puzzle where each piece is connected. Each gene interacts with others, creating a network that we are only beginning to understand. Forward and reverse genetics are like two sides of the same coin. They are complementary approaches to understanding the complex world of genes. Forward genetics starts with a trait and hunts for the responsible gene, while reverse genetics starts with a gene and explores its effects on the organism. Both methods have revolutionized our understanding of biology and medicine. By combining these approaches, scientists are making incredible strides in unraveling the mysteries of life. And that's pretty darn exciting, wouldn't you say? Keep those science brains buzzing.